Welcome back. The previous video. So let's quickly recap. We talked about the reason why you create a product, which is to make money and to help people and for posterity. We talked about generating the idea. We talked about idea from your personal experience, from a problem you overcome. Okay, then you create product from that. Okay, the second one is a solution to a problem born out of research. When you research on the internet to see the problem people are facing, so that you can create something to solve that problem for them. Okay, now we talk about that's the ideation process. Now let's talk about the product formation here. The product formation here. Now I assume that you've gotten the idea. You know what you want to create. Okay. When I was at Las Vegas, I was a 300 kg man. So, but I was able to tackle that fat in a unique way that I burned it down to maybe you are now 99 kg. So you want to create the product revolve around how to burn your fat. Okay, how to burn your fat in your own unique way. Okay, so whatever idea you've generated, you want to create it now. You want to bring it to life as a product. How do you do that? Okay, the first thing you're going to do is that you are going to create a title for your product, a title that aligns with that problem. You are going to create a title for your product, title that aligns with the problem people are facing, so that they can easily relate and know what you're about to tell them and know what exactly they are about to take or buy. You get that? Now, the second thing is that draft your outline. Again, draft your outline. The heading, the first point, second point, third point, the heading, sub-heading. When you draft your outline, then the next thing is that draft out your talking points from that outline. Draft out what? Draft out your talking point from that outline. When you not draft out your talking point from that outline, then create your content. Create your content or form your content from that talking point. Okay, if it is about the weight loss, all right. The outline can be diet, activities, mindset, all sorts, right? Now, talking points can be under that diet, food to eat, food to not eat, do and don't, all those stuffs, right? Under that, the activities, home workouts, duration of the workouts, average daily workouts routine, all those stuffs, right? Then your words, your content will not form a complete one. After the formation of that complete one, what you want to do now is that you want to determine the format you want that product to be. Now, you won't have problem turning it to any format. You won't have any problem turning it to any format. Do you want to use an audio format? You want people to just be hearing your hearing it alone? You can use Anchor. So when you use Anchor will beautify your speech stuff. So you can just download Anchor to your mobile phone, record it as an audio. Is it video format? Okay, you can shoot yourself the way I'm shooting myself right now. You can shoot yourself and talk about it. Okay, you don't want your face to show. You can do a faceless video by using screen record on your system or on your mobile device. Okay, you're not okay with that. You can do presentation in such a way that you will design some slide using. You can use Canva. You can use CorelDRAW. You can all those designing tools. You can use it to design your slide with some text on them. Then you'll be reading it out, explaining it for people while screen recording it. Okay, you want an ebook format? You can use Google Docs or you can use Canva too. You get that? So after doing that, now it remains storage. How do you store it or where do you store it to? Now, based on the format, dependent on the format, you will now choose your storage. Is it video? You can save it on Google Drive. You can save it on Mega. You can save it on Vimeo. You can save it on YouTube. You can save it on film on those course hosting platform. Udemy, all those stuff. You can put it there, and that's it. Your product is set. Is it audio? You can put it on Google Drive, Mega, and in fact YouTube. If you turn it to, you can turn it to video by just using a picture, and just a picture stating the title alone, then merge it with the audio, then that's not video, then upload it on your Google Drive, Mega, Vimeo as a YouTube format, YouTube as a video format. Is it an ebook? Google Drive, course hosting platform, and that you have your product ready. So next, now we are moving to what? We are moving to the next one, which is the funnel system or system formation. We'll be dealing with the funnel creation, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share your friends. Okay?